Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this used Range Rover Evoque. This Evoque is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine that produces 165 PS with automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. It's finished in the silver paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you find the 20-inch alloy wheels, and to the front the premium LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you'll find the Evoque offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the tow bar. Into your rear seating, now you find the interior to be fitted with this leather seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front seats with power adjustment, alongside other features such as cup holders and USB ports and storage inside the armrest. From the multifunction steering wheel you can access a range of driver assist features and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the touchscreen display, you can tune to FM and DAB channels through the media feature. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is also available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can also access other vehicle features and settings. Beneath the display you'll find your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. There are a range of terrain settings available for you to choose from. This Evoque comes equipped with parking sensors and area view cameras, allowing you to park up stress-free. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your glass roof sunblind. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Range Rover Evoque that is now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.